Doctor and my dear fellow friends, I'm Sanjula, daughter of Sudhakaran, metric number B0620101141. Today, I would like to start the presentation by explaining about the baseline energy consumption. First of all, for this assignment, we have chosen a single-story house which was occupied by 5 people, and then the total area house is around 1,195 square feet. So this table shows the electric usage from January to December. So the total energy consumption is 5,140 kilowatt, which costs around 1,643 ringgit 30 cent. The average is 428.33 kilowatt. So how we could find out the average is by sum up the electric usage from January to December and divided it by 12, which symbolizes to 12 months. And then the maximum electric was used in the month of September, which is 523 kilowatt, and the minimum was used in the month of December, which is 330 kilowatt, which costs around 87 ringgit 35 cent. So for the setting energy and cost saving target, in my opinion, it should not more than the average energy consumption. So it can be reduced by 15%. So for instance, if we just reduce 15% from the total energy consumption, so which is 5,140 kilowatt, it will be result as 4,369 kilowatt. So from the point of average energy consumption, if we just subtract it for 15%, the result will be 873.8, which is less than the actual one, and that the cost will be result as 1,396.81 cent, which is less than the actual one, 1,643 ringgit 30 cent.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Zikri bin Muhammad. I am going to present about list of electrical appliances in my house. For the first item is air condition, fan, refrigerator, television, water filter, rice cooker, air fryer, Wi-Fi router and light. For energy consumption in one appliance watt is for air condition is 750 watt, fan 30, refrigerator 200, television 50, water filter 25, rice cooker 700, air fryer 1000, Wi-Fi router is 20, and the light is 32. For approximate use in hours per day, for air condition is 6, fan 50, refrigerator 24, television 12, water filter 24, rice cooker 1, air fryer 2, Wi-Fi router 24, light is 12. For approximate use per month in estimate per hour, for example is air condition. Air condition monthly energy consumption. The formula is watt patch divide 1000 multiply hour for use and multiply 30 day. For example is 750 watt divide 1000 multiply 6 and multiply 30 day. The answer is 135 kilowatt per hour. So the answer is that the fan is 30.5, refrigerator 144 and other than. For the estimate use in 12 months, so the formula is a monthly kilowatt per hour consumption, number of month used per year, annual energy consumption. The example is 135 kilowatt per hour multiply 12 months. So the answer is 1350. So the answer of 12 months for all item is for air condition 1350, fan 162, refrigerator 1728. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, develop the lot apportionment percentage of each electrical appliances. We calculate approximate energy consumption per month kilowatt hour in 12 months. We also have state the percentage of the electrical appliances. As you can see on the slide, the pie chart show that the largest percentage of charge apportionment is refrigerator, which is the most contribution of the energy consumption, more than the other electrical appliances, with 144 kilowatt hour per month, with the percentage of 33.07%.
Next, I will continue the presentation. So I will present about cost saving measure for our house. Firstly, we can replace the old bulbs. Comparing to their more energy efficient competitors, traditional light bulbs use excessive amounts of electricity and need to be changed more frequently to LED. Secondly, switch off any electronic when not in use. When you not use the item of electronic or electrical, turn off all electronic and make an effort to reduce energy use. It can be advantageous to use a power board that power several appliances simultaneously, since it enables you to turn off every appliance at once. Firstly, we do the calculation about aircon. The energy consumption that we can reduce is 53%. Meanwhile, the potential saving, the energy consumption per month is 71.55 kilowatt hour, and for a year, 858.6 kilowatt hour per year. The potential saving for month is RM 15.59 per month, and per year is RM 468.79. Then for refrigerator, we can reduce 15% energy consumption. For a month, we can reduce 72 kilowatt hour, and for a year we can reduce 864 kilowatt hour. The potential saving per month is RM 15.69 per month, and potential saving for a year is RM 471.74 per year. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will continue the presentation in financial analysis that come up with activity, energy conservation, potential saving, investment, and simple payback period. First, for activity energy conservation, number 1, choose the right energy efficient star-rated refrigerator, for example 4-star and 5-star. And the potential saving that we get is 858.6 kilowatt per hour, and the new cost per year is 468 ringgit Malaysia and 79 cents. The investment that we put is 1,500 ringgit Malaysia, and the simple payback period that we get is 3.2. Number 2, ensure proper air conditioning installation. The energy per year that we get is 864 kilowatt per hour, and the new cost is 471 ringgit Malaysia and 74 cents. And the investment that we put is 1,350 ringgit Malaysia, and the simple payback period that we get is 2.9. Number 3, minimize the uses of air fryer and unplug when do not in use. The new energy that we get is 432 kilowatt per hour, and the cost per year that we get is 94 ringgit Malaysia and 80 cents, and the investment that we put is 120 ringgit Malaysia, and the simple payback period that we get is 1.2. And the last one is unplug the rice cooker when not in use. The new energy that we get is 178 ringgit 0.92 kilowatt per hour, and the cost is 39 ringgit Malaysia, and the investment that we put is 55 ringgit Malaysia, and the new simple payback period that we get is 1.4.
And for the implementation plan, measure or benchmarking current energy consumption. Creating a baseline against which future reductions can be measured is a critical first step in tracking progress. The EPA's Energy Star program has created a tool called Portfolio Manager that allows you to compare consumption to that of other buildings of a similar size, type, and function. Next, develop an energy use profile. An energy use profile will show how energy is distributed among building systems, for example, heating, water, lighting, office equipment, refrigeration, and so on, as shown in the figure below, as well as the energy source for each system: natural gas, fuel oil, district heat, power, electricity. And the last one is implements project. Implement performance improvement measures that will reduce your facilities' energy and emission. Thank you.